My baby wake me up exactly 9:30. So I went in the kitchen. I had little motivation to cook. I prepped everything. बस कुकर गंदा था करके चुपचाप आके बैठ गई दूध गर्म करके. My motivation was here. It went here. Good morning.